There is a lot of care and attention to detail in Interface's product development methods, allowing Interface to create the most accurate and reliable force measurement tools on the market. Honed over our 51+ years in the manufacturing of force measurement products, Interface has the most refined and thorough processes in the industry. Today, we are going to reveal one of the unique testing processes in our low-profile load cell development which sets us apart from the competition, by a landslide. It's no secret, Interface low-profile load cells are reliable and offer repeatable results. What isn't widely known is this is because of the product's overall capability to handle loads with minimum error due to misalignment. In plain English, these load cells are very forgiving to general misalignment when they are installed into the application. Why? Because of a process called moment compensation. This is one of the primary differentiators from other Pancake load cells in the marketplace. Moment compensation is performed on every individual Interface low-profile load cell and most other Interface load cell models to ensure repeatability and accuracy. This is a big deal in the force measurement industry because most load cell manufacturers don't test and compensate or have a specification for eccentric load sensitivity like we do. Interface takes these extra steps because we understand that as product development becomes more complex, the margin for error gets smaller and smaller. Moment compensation also helps to maximize the operating life and minimize performance errors. With Interface low-profile load cells, customers know that every step in our design and development process is conducted to ensure the premium quality which exceeds their needs and quality expectations.